Okay, now if I wanted to capo for an E chord, but be in the key of C, my E chord, the thick string open, is E. I go to the thick string, I find C, put my capo there. Now my 1-4-5 is EAB, but I'm capoed at the 8th fret. There's my C, playing an E chord. There's my F, playing an A chord. There's my G, playing the B chord. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the open position so I don't have to keep retuning for the capo. Exercise number 2, same numbers. For you, A, D, E. For me, C, F, G. And let's do this. Let's see. What's one we haven't done yet? Let's try one. Well, let's do another 3-4-1. Number 12. So number 12 is 1, 2, and 3, and down, down, up, down, up. I'll take it a little slower. Da, 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 da. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, and 5 chord. Four, 5, 4, 1, 5, 4, 5.